Good afternoon, students. Exercise 3.1. 3 questions we have done in the last class. Now, today we will see question number 4 today. 3.1 exercise. 3 of the questions are over. Now, question number 4. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to AIG. Very important is order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix here? Is 2 cross 2. These 2 and these 2 both are same square matrix. We are getting square matrix because 2 cross 2 it is. Now the most important is first one represent row whereas second one represent column. First one represent row, second one represent column. Now this is the matrix format is given. How the format is given? Matrix is denoted by capital letter is equal to now Aij indicates elements, whereas this square matrix is the denotation. How to close the square matrix or any matrix? Either you can use square bracket or you can use simple bracket like this. Simple bracket or square bracket we can use. Now we will come to the first question. What is first question? Aij is equal to I plus j whole square whole divided by 2. This is the first question here. Now question number 4. I will repeat. Question number 4, exercise 3.1. Before going to the solution, I plus j whole square divided by 2. First question, I divided by j. Second question, I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Let me check my camera once so I can proceed. The next. Fine. Now, without wasting time, we will first write the matrix of order 2 cross 2. We will write matrix of order 2 cross 2. Now, first row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Is that simple, students? No. I'll tell you one more time. It's very simple. Okay. I'll explain one more time. 2 cross 2 we needed. So denotation square bracket I have used. First row, first column. First row, second column. Now second row, first column. Second row, second column. These are the elements. Now these 4 elements, it is 2 cross 2 or not, students? Here 2 cross 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Now first A11, we need A11. We'll put here A11. I'll put here 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Ij, I value 1, j value is also 1. 1 plus 1 whole square. Now what is the result here? 1 plus 1, 2 whole square divided by 2, or you can say 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. We got first element. We got only first element, students, here. A11. Now we will go through the second element. See here, A12. A12. See very carefully. A12, how we have to find? Again I will use the same formula. These two questions are different. Again I use the same formula. What is I value? 1. What is j value? 2. We will put here I value is 1, j value is 2 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 2, 3 whole square divided by 2. Now 9 divided by, we got A11, we got A12. Now we will move to the next row. Now A21 is A21. What is the formula here? See, A21 I plus j whole square divided by 2. No need to write formula, directly you can put the values. Now what is I value? 2. What is j value? 1. 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Now 2 plus 1, it is 3 whole square divided by 2. What is the answer here? 3 square 9 divided by. Now A22, second row, second column. Same formula. I plus j divided by 2. Now what is I value? 2. What is j value? 2 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 whole square divided by 2. 16 divided by 2, as it is 2 ones are 2 eights are. So we got the answer as 8. So we got A11, we got A12, we got A21, we got A22. We need 2 cross 2 matrix. We have first taken a 2 cross 2 matrix in unknown form. How we have taken in unknown form? First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. These values we have substituted in question number 1 of this main 4. We got all the answers. Now we will write matrix A. Now what is matrix A? See here, A11. A11 answer we got 2. Now A12 answer we got 9 by 2. Now last two elements are A21. A21 we got as 9 by 2. A22 we got as 8. So construct a matrix 2 cross 2 A is equal to Aij. I plus j whole square divided by 2. Aij I divided by j. Aij I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Three different questions. First one I have solved. Now we will move to the next question. First question is over, I will complete. Now moving to the second. What is second question? Aij is equal to I divided by j. Now I will write matrix A. I need 2 cross 2 matrix. First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Okay. These are the unknown elements. Now we will put it here. As we have taken the last question, we have seen students. Observe very carefully. See the video repeatedly. And before going to this solution, let me tell you the very important thing. Subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the information about the latest videos for all the classes, not only PUC classes, for all the classes. Remaining classes also you will get all the update, like first to 10,000. All the updations you will get in your mobile one by one when the class is uploaded. So whoever is the children, whether in our school or anywhere, they can take the benefit of our videos. Now move to the next. First we will find A11. A11. First row, first column. 1 divided by 1. What is the answer? I value 1, j value 1. Now A12, I value 1, j value 2. We cannot simplify, keep it as it is. Now A21, second row, first column, I value 2, j value 1. 2 divided by 1, 2. Now A22, I value 2, j value 2. 2 get cancelled, the answer is 1. Now we'll write matrix A. Now A11 we got as 1. A12 we got as 1 by 2. A21 we got as 2. A22 we got as. Sir, let's go. Now this is the matrix A for the second question. Now this third question will be homework. This third question will be homework. Excuse me, friends. Thank you for your patience, friends. Sorry for the inconvenience. I have to take the call. Now we will go to the question number 4. What is question number 4? See here. Question number 5 in fact. Question number 5. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Whose elements are given by see here. First question. What is the first question? See here. Right here. Aij is equal to 1 by minus 3I plus j. Second question. Aij 2I minus j. Construct a matrix of order 3 cross 4. Without wasting the time, we will go to the matrix first. What is the matrix? See here. 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. 3 rows, 4 columns. See here, first row is completed. Now we will go to the next. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column. 3 rows, 4 columns. One more. Third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. Third row, fourth column. Now, Second one, you try. This will be homework. Okay. Now, AIG, first one. Let me check the camera once. Now, first row, first column, you put here 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. This is absolute. These lines are indicating absolute. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1. Now, 1 by 2. Absolute value of minus 2. What is absolute value of minus 2? Even if it is negative, we have to write positive. Absolute indicate positive value. If it is positive, we have to keep it positive only. Don't keep it negative. Absolute stands for positive value of the argument. Whatever be the argument, its value should be positive. Minus 2 is the argument. But the result will be plus 2 because of this absolute. Now, A11 is over. A12 will move 1 by 2. Now, minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. But absolute value of minus 1 is plus 1. 1 by 2 into 1. It's very simple. Now we will move to the next one. First row, third column. First row, third column. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Now 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 0 will give us 0. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Now see 1 by 2 absolute value minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now absolute value of this 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 will give us minus 5. Minus 5 will become plus 5. Minus 5 will become plus 1. 1 by 2 into 5. 5. Now, second row, second column. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 6. Now, see here. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2. That gives us 1 by 2 minus 4. 1 by 2 plus 4. That gives us 2 ones are 2. Absolute value. Even if it is negative, we have to write it as positive. Now, second row, third column. 1 by 2. Now, second row, third column. 3 into minus 3 into 2 plus 2. Now, what will be the answer here? 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Minus 4 will become plus 4, which gives us now 8 to 4. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2. This formula only we are using, plus 4 minus 6 plus 4. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3. So 1 we got. Now next we will move remove the third column. A3 1 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 1, so minus 8. 1 by 2 minus 8 will become plus 8. 2 ones are 2. Now A32 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 3 plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 2. Now it is minus 7 plus 7 divided by 2. Now A33 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 will become plus 6. So that gives us 2 ones are 2, 3s are. Now last one. Third row, fourth column. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. That will be plus 5 into 1 by 2. Now see here the last one. What we will get here? The matrix A. What is matrix A, students? A11. What is A11? We got here A11 as 1. Now A12 we got 1 by 2. A13 we got 0. A13, but A14 we didn't get. A14 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1. So it will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now A21. What is A21? 5 by 2. A22 2. Now A23 it seems it should be here 3. Now minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. Now it will be 3. It will be 3 by 2. Now 3 by 2. Now A24 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Okay, 1. A31 is 4. A32 it's going to be 7 by 2. A33 now you see here minus 6 plus 3 it will become 3. A34 minus 9 plus 4 5 by 2. Now this is how the matrix we got. This will be homework question. Do your homework and put in the group or else to my personal appointment. Thank you.